everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another what I eat in a day. Now I'm currently breastfeeding, so all my what I eat in a days for now you'll see is going to be focused on like eating foods to help bring in breast milk. So right now I'm starting off my day with this bottle of water. I filled it up. I didn't fill up all the way to the top. I filled it up halfway just to drink this to get some water in your system. First thing in the morning is the best time to drink water, especially alkaline water. And if you don't have alkaline water, you can always alkalize. What's the right word? Alkalize, I guess. You could just do that yourself by just adding some lime to it. If you have like spring water that where the pH balance is pretty low, all you have to do is take some lime and squeeze it in there, and it'll alkalize your water. That's what it'll do to your water. So I'm gonna start off with this, drinking this first, and then I'm probably gonna eat a light breakfast, so I'll show you guys what I eat next. I'm back with a snack. So right here I'm eating some Pea-Tot chips. And these chips, this brand Pea-Tots, are good because they're made out of peas. And basically any junk food, like my original junk food, the junk food that I was craving was Cheetos. So they have a hot Cheetos flavor of these. Let me show you guys in a minute. So here are the hot Cheetos. These are the version of hot Cheetos, Pea-Tots. So this brand, like I said, their food is made out of peas, and they have like different flavors, but the rest of the flavors aren't vegan. Only these are vegan, and this is vegan. This is their vegan onion rings. Even though I think regular onion rings are already vegan, so you can buy regular onion rings, but it's healthier because these are made out of peas. Like I said, you can get them from Amazon, or you can get them, they should have them in like Whole Foods or maybe Wegmans or someone will sell them. But yeah, I found these online, and like I said, they're a better alternative than to eating like the real version of these. It's just something I'm snacking on, so it's not gonna like help me produce milk or anything, but you know, I wanted a snack, so I'd rather eat those than eat, like I said, regular onion rings or regular hot Cheetos. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I'm about to start cooking lunch for the kids that are down for a nap, and I'll show you guys when I come back what I'm eating for lunch. Now I'm eating dinner, and for dinner I made some lentil tacos. I'm gonna show you guys right here. And you probably hear the kids in the background, but yeah, so lentils are really good, another good way to bring in breast milk. And I decided to make tacos. Today's Taco Tuesday, so I decided to make some. I decided to make us some lentil tacos, and as well as the kids. So we're all eating lentil tacos, and it's good protein, and lentils has a lot of iron in it, so that's something else that's good for your breast milk. And I just topped it off with just basic toppings, some cheese, Vitalife cheese, and some lettuce. And yeah, that's all I'm going to eat for dinner. If I have dessert later, I'll let you guys know what I'm eating for dessert. If I decide to have dessert later, Then right now we're watching Shark Tank and I'm editing videos. That's why you've been seeing me sit in this chair, because I've been doing a lot of editing, and we are fixing our website for our t-shirts, so we got that coming out soon too, you guys, and I'm gonna leave it down in the link below. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, you guys. That was it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video.